Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have all the €5 tickets in Portugal. Olá a todos. Boa tarde. Hoje eu tenho mix nas raspadinhas. €25 sessão. Mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Ok? Let's start. Okay. Gonna start this because I miss scratching this ticket. Jesus, a lot of explanations to do. 5 tickets, okay? Outside Portugal. How to win in this ticket? We're looking for notas or stack of cash to win the prize shown. A watch to win 50, a sport to win 100, and Ruda to win 150. I'm gonna use M2M, grab and gumball. Jesus, and the dancing table. Ay, Jesus, this table. Okay. Come on, ticket. Give me at least money back today. Nope. Hi, I found a match, guys. Notas, nice. Let's hope it's at least 20. Of course. Only sometimes you win and you got the lowest price available in this world. Okay, money back in this ticket. And now let's go to Strela Cesarte or Lucky Stars. We're looking for all these symbols. Acorn or Voluta to win €5. Chave or key to win 10. Must be 3 in every symbol. Okay? Tribu or Clover to win 20. Set or 7 to win 50. Arcoiris or Rainbow to win 100. Ferradura or Horseshoe to win 200. I translate in Portuguese and in English, guys. Besouro or Beetle, 500 or 500. Chapéu de Sorte or Lucky Hat, 1,000. Juninho or Ladybug, 5,000. Star is the jackpot. Okay. And I use Eternity Luck. Let's see if we find any luck. 7, come on, one more 7. Oh no. Okay, must be 3 like symbols, guys. 3 like symbols. 2. And the barcode in the middle, which is annoying. Nope. Last hope. 1, 2. No. Okay, so there's no win here. Let's hope the bonus. Strela. No. The bonus, I forgot to mention the bonus. We win €20 automatically. If we uncover this symbol. So there's no win in this ticket. Okay, so no win. Okay. Let's go to set. I'm gonna use M2M, grab and gumball. It's a matching numbers game, and if we uncover 7, we win the prize shown. Ganya o premio indicado, double 7, ganya o doblo or triple the price. Double the price. Triplo set, ganya o triplo or triple the price. Okay. We're looking for these 6 numbers. 45, 49, 29, 11, 26, 19. 41, 24, 44, 15. 32, 52, 36, Ahay! I found 29, guys. Nice. 29, match. 23. 18. Come on, give me more wins. 16. 49. Ay! This is a nice win, guys. At least 30 euro win. Because I found a double seven. Very nice. 12. So I expect more matches. Woohoo! This is a profit session, guys. 38. 22. 53. 11. So 2 matches and double 7. 42. 51. 39. So 2 matches and double 7. 2 matches and double 7. 2 matches and double 7. Cannot be. Double 7 must be 1, 2, 3, 4 matches at least. Because if we uncover double 7, we win 30 euro at least. What's going on here? I think I missed a lot of numbers. Guys. Okay, let's 49, 29. Jesus, 29, 49. 11 y 3 matches. Okay. 10. Wow. 10, 5 plus 49, 29, 49, 11, 5, 20, 30. They put only 5 here. This is a 30 euro win, guys. Woohoo! So I got 35 already. Very nice session. This is a profit session, guys. This is a profit session. Why they don't give me this 39, 700? They give me 49, 10, 15, 20, 30. Okay, so this is a 30 euro win. What's a lottery code of 30? 30. T. Okay. Nice, guys. Double 7, 10, 11. I have to move, guys, because my phone was dead. So I have to recharge and then I have to continue. Thanks M2M for the win. So this is a 30 euro win, guys. I spent 25 and I got back 30 in this ticket alone. Plus 5 euro here, so it's already 35. Only spent 25 and I still have 2 more tickets. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Today I'm using all the Filipino channels, guys. It's Filipino American, G-Search Scratches. Okay, and this is so beautiful. Okay, so outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? It's a matching symbols game, and this is the multiplier. Okay, and 3 like prices of money bag. Okay, so we're looking for lucky hat, diamante or diamond, and rainbow, arco-iris in Portuguese. Money bag, 1-5 must be 3, guys, to win. Okay, gold bar, moedas or coins, trivo, estrella or star. Okay, pata, notas or stack of cash. Money bag, 1-5, one more 1-5, guys. Come on, Portugal Lottery, let me win. 1-5. Pot of gold and no. So let's see if we can find a multiplier. Oso or bone. No. Ferradora or horseshoe. No. Cartera or wallet? No. I was waiting for 3 money bags, but no. Only 2, of course. So obviously this is not a winner. Okay. Not a winner. But at least it's already a profit session, guys. Okay. Okay, today I'm gonna use random red coin. M2M, Grab and Gumball give this to me. Obviously this is a matching number game. Multipliers 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x, or 50x. We're looking for 29, 22, 13, 14, 26, 24, 12, 39, 44, 42, small numbers guys, 33, 40, 35, 34, 32, 11, 31, backwards, 36, 19 y 28. Nada na manga. Okay, so I bought 5 tickets. 5 tickets, yeah, and I got only 2 winning tickets. 2 winning tickets. I spent 25 and I got back 35. So 10 euro lucro. Gaste 25. Gané 35. 10 euros lucro. Muito bom, Santa Casa. Oje, now, coffee money. Today is not coffee money. I can buy champagne today. Cheap champagne, of course, because there are a lot of expensive champagne. Hi, for me, I'm happy with this, guys. 10 euro. I spent 25 and I got back 35. For me, I'm happy with this. Okay, so I like this ticket. Normally, I found 2 times the same win in this ticket. I think 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I found 30 also. It's not a big win, but it's good win in a 5 euro ticket. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos.